Alright folks, this year you can go plastic free whenever you're trellising your vine crops of tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, or eggplants. Introducing the Qlipr system that eliminates plastic trellising components, plastic line, and especially thousands and thousands of plastic clips. The system consists of stainless steel hooks, clamps that are reusable, sustainable, and long-lasting. Let's take a look at the components individually. You have your crop hooks, which are stainless steel hooks available in 32-inch, 47-inch, and 63-inch hooks. The hooks hang on your wire trellis and hang down and hold two clamps that are also stainless steel with a foam insert to protect the tomato vine. At the end of each hook is a cord hanger. The cord hanger slides onto the rod and rests on the ball that's on the bottom of the hooks. From there, you will tie your jute onto the cord hanger in any way you feel comfortable and let the jute hang to the base of the plant. If you got the option without the hanger or you don't want to use it, a couple of overhand knots on the rod will work just fine and slide the jute down onto the little ball at the end of the rod. To set up, hang the hooks on wire or tube trellising above the tomatoes. To decide what length of hook to get, measure from the trellis line to the base of the tomato plant and pick the longest hook. Make up the difference with the cord hanger and the jute. When the plants are young, simply attach the clips to the jute around the base of the plant. As the plant moves up, you'll transition from the jute line to the stainless steel hook rod, and as the plant grows, you'll remove the bottom clip and put it at the crown of the tomato plant. Once the plant has reached the top, near the wire, you'll continue the pruning, lowering, and leaning process just like you would any other trellis line. And you will continue to leapfrog the clips up the hook for each lower and lean until you've either reached the end of the season or the productive life of the vine. Once the vines are removed from the hoop house, you can sanitize the stainless steel and air dry and store for the next season. This system is great for beginners because of its ease of use, and for pros that are going to reduce your labor and reduce the waste associated with plastic tomato clips. And after you clip up about 2 vines, you're going to wish you discovered it much sooner. So take a look at the links down below and subscribe to the channel and to see the Qlipr system in action throughout the course of this year as we're growing our own tomato plants here at Bootstrap Farmer. Have a great season, help us reduce plastic, and increase your farm's efficiency.